Hey friends, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV, and if this is your first time here, I hope you'll take a minute and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now guys, I know when June gets here, we're all ready for summer vacations. We've got Father's Day coming up, graduations, and also weddings. And I have a beautiful, close to my heart collection to show you today called True Love. And here are some of the papers that come in the True Love collection. Now, this one I think is so pretty. And it is geared for weddings. It's got some borders down here and these pretty little flower bouquets, wedding rings, banners, hearts, and this is great for a scrapbook layout. And you can see all the other beautiful papers that you get in this paper collection. And then, as always, we flip it over, and these are double-sided. And they have these awesome zip strips at the top. You also get cardstock that coordinates perfectly with those gorgeous papers, and you're going to get 3 sheets of this pretty green, this pink, navy blue, and mauve. The Close to My Heart True Love collection also has a card making workshop your way kit, and it's called Thinking of You. You're going to get this awesome stamp set, and we've got a beautiful wreath on the front and lots of flowers and leaves. We've got Thinking of You. It's okay to not be okay, because you can use this to make some beautiful sympathy cards as well. We've got a little stamp here for doing a scalloped border. Here's another little border stamp, and I like these little background stamps, like this one right here, and then these little leaves. You'll get 12 card bases, which are pre-scored, and 12 matching envelopes. A bag of gorgeous sequins. So if you want to make some shaker cards, this would be beautiful, because it's got some stars and round sequins, and it looks like they're mother of pearl and gold and silver. Just gorgeous sequins. You're going to get 2 sheets of paper, and this is one side and this is the other. So you'll have the zip strip on both sheets, and then you get your mauve cardstock and your white cardstock, and you're going to get an instruction booklet. So if you're new to card making, this is perfect for you guys. There's enough supplies in this kit to make 6 each of these 2 cards, and we've got all the instructions inside for cutting it out, as well as how to do your stamping and putting your cards together. So I think this is an awesome set, and we're going to use this today to make 2 cards. And I think we're going to go ahead and make the 2 in the instruction booklet. They're so pretty. We're going to go ahead and get this card put together, and we're going to do this one right here. I think that's so pretty. Now, I followed all the instructions on cutting out my papers, and we look over here, and here's a close-up of the card and the diagram of how to put it together, and here it tells you about the stamping. And I stamped this using this pretty little stamp set that comes with this kit. I love that wreath. You can use this wreath for spring, summer, fall, winter. Just change up the colors of the little flowers and your greenery, and you can have an all seasons wreath from this. Now in the center, I used the Thinking of You stamp and got that done, and I colored this with some alcohol markers, and I used a light and dark green, and the same for the pink. But I've cut everything out according to the book, and I'm going to go ahead and get this card put together. There's our first card all put together. Didn't it turn out pretty? And you saw how quick and easy it was. And I just love this little wreath. So pretty. Okay, let's do the second card. Now, here's the picture of the second card. This is a portrait style card. And if you look at the picture, you can see that I took that leaf stamp right here, and I did just like in the photograph, and I took some Sweet Leaf ink. This is close to my heart, Sweet Leaf, and I went over this part of the card because the rest of the card is going to cover up this part. So that's why I only did this part right here. And as I said, I used this leaf right here. Now, I've got the other pieces all ready to go. We've got the blue piece, or the blue mat. Then we've got a piece of the striped, which is the reverse side. And then this right here, looks like I've got a little piece of lace, doesn't it? It's actually this little stamp right here. And I'm going to use some Close to My Heart blush ink and that little stamp. And hopefully I'm not going to mess it up. And I'm going to stamp that right down here before I put this down. And this is the little stamp that says it's okay to not be okay. We've got a piece of the mauve to go behind it. And there that is right there. And then you use these two small leaves. And then this tiny little flower. And I use the Sweet Leaf and the blush ink for that. So let's put this card together. Here are both my cards. I got my second card finished, complete with those gorgeous sparkling sequins. And you get so many in this card making workshop your way. Now, I did have to move my sentiment up just a little bit because I kind of goofed on that little lace border. But doesn't that border add so much to the card? I think they're both so pretty, and they were so quick and easy with this card making workshop your way. Thinking of You kit. Now guys, you want to go over and see Linda. She's my Close to My Heart consultant, and she can help you with any of these Close to My Heart products with any of the collections, not just the one I've showed you today. I'm going to give you a link to Linda's Close to My Heart site right below the video on YouTube as well as on my blog, and you can go and check this out and all the other awesome paper crafting products that you can get from Close to My Heart. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I sure have. And I thank you so much for coming by and spending just a little part of your day with me. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.